Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail. Here are the round incandescent clear bulbs for indoor and outdoor string of lights. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what you should do first before you start, showing some features, a closer look at the actual product close up, and my favorite features along with how this product looks during the day, evening, and at night. It would be a good idea to do this first before you start. Measure out your area, locate your electric outlet for power, get yourself a set of double-sided sticky tape hooks, and hang your string of lights for easy installation. This kit uses round incandescent clear G40 bulbs that emits soft warm white light. These G40 bulbs are replaceable. 2 or more are included in your kit depending on the length of your kit. Now let's look at my favorite feature. I like that the kit includes hooks on them so that way you can hang them on the hangers for quick and easy installation. This kit is also waterproof. You can chain link multiple kits to create a longer string of light. Now let's look at the results. In the following, now we're going to look at how it looks during the day, the evening, and at night. We're currently looking at the string of lights in the afternoon. Here, I'm going to show you multiple views. Now we're looking at the string of lights in the evening. Now the lights are a little bit warmer in color. Last, let's have a look at how it looks in the middle of the night. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.